Programs are a central place where we're running specific initiatives and projects where we're trying to track everything from analytics to content views to different tasks and project management all in one spot around a singular initiative. So something like a Salesforce launch is kind of the perfect application for this exact program. So by way of an example, I'm actually going to go ahead and create a new one here. So in our programs, I'm going to click on new and hit program. And in this case, I'm actually just going to select the product launch template. You can see I actually saved another template in here as well, which you can do as you start to build these out. And I'm just going to hit the use template to launch this. First step here, I'm just going to give this a name. I'm just going to say Salesforce Ops Launch. The beauty of programs is, again, it's consolidating down all the actions, steps, and measurements you would do when you were launching a project like this. So before we get into building anything, just giving you a lay of the land here, you'll see that you're able to add in content. This is where we're going to be drafting documentation, creating training, building out our functionality. We're going to be able to attach pages and libraries and lessons right to this specific project and program in Seismic. We're also going to be able to strategize this against a specific audience or whoever we're trying to help. And there's a task management component here too. So if I click on tasks, you can see you can add and adjust these any way we might want. And you can see we can also attach dates. And this is what's really helpful from a project management standpoint. We can attach specific dates and go live or no go dates depending on the project, when we want to launch certain items and certain modules based on this program. And then lastly, you're going to see this success metrics here, which is really important. This is how we're actually going to do the measurement of this program. So we're going to attach things like page views, interactivity, and engagement with the content we're going to put forth, and really give you a way to measure if this thing is working or not.